here are the few regulatory or affairs or few policies that has changed the way we do research right now. For example, few ones I'm not going to read through all, but few which have really struck the scientific community, but in a good way or a bad way, I would say. 2000 NIH guidelines, they started putting in this strict, more stringent rules in curing embryos, or you need an informed consent to procure embryos, and also there was no funding. There was no funding. Basically, they said only private funding can be funded. What happened to all our researchers like us, who work on embryonic stem cells? They were not funded at all. So slowly, the curve of scientific publications really went down. After that 2001 Bush controversy, he totally stopped the embryonic stem cell funding. After that, let's run to, and then in 2004, CIRM, California Institute of Research Medicine, which is based in California. It's a state funding. It was created with 59% California voters approving the Proposition 71, which was great again. And again in 2009, President Obama overturned the executive order, which basically, what does it mean? Like, what it means is they basically put back more funding for embryonic stem cells or other kinds of stem cells. And again, 2012, blindness treated. 2010, Geron Menlo Park Company did the first clinical trials on spinal cord injury. But later it had to stop. Why? Because of, according to Geron, it's too expensive. The running expenditure is too much that it cannot take. The only backup they had were the California Institute of Research Medicine, which put in a great deal of funding into the Geron's clinical trials, but however, they had to abandon it. And again, 2014 human trials, the world's first trials for treating age-related blindness. These are all few events which have shaken the scientific community or research community in a good way.